So this is another brand. It's a Samsung model. The model number is here. It's an ecobubble washing machine. It looks good and unique. I acquired it from a client of mine. So we will be looking at it. Let's get this dirty. Be cleaning it up and seeing which problem it has. She said that it has a power related issue, so we'll be looking it out to find out exactly what is it not doing. Let's remove the package. Did they try to repair the motherboard? No, it has not been repaired. So stay tuned for more videos about it and which problem it has exactly, and what is the solution.